So you have to click on buy certificate. Once you click on the buy certificate, you will go to the portal where you have to select the certificate which you want to create. As I have selected here the organization signed and encryption 2-year certificate. If you wanted to purchase the tokens, you have the option, you can select the option. If you select USB token, then you have to mention the shipping address in the next page. Otherwise you can select USB token not required and then click on buy certificate. Now here you have to mention your personal and address details. You can mention here your name, email ID, mobile number, address. You can't change this mobile number further, so please make sure the contact number you are mentioning here is correct. Now click on get OTP and the OTP will receive in your mobile number. Thereafter you have to click on continue to DSC enrollment. As you can see, we have made the entire interface very user friendly. You can create a certificate very easily on one page only. You can see your order status in left hand side and it is also clickable. One more good thing about the system is that now you have to make the payment after getting the approval of the order. Isn't it awesome? Come and create your certificate and get the approval of the certificate first and then make the payment. So let's go further of the DSC processing. If you wanted to create the certificate for employee, you have to create the eKYC first of the authorized signatory. Otherwise you can select the authorized signatory. Now here you have to mention the rest of the details like PAN number, eKYC ID, eKYC PIN, organization type, company name. GST is optional here. If you have the GST number, you have to mention there, or else you have to click on submit button. Now you have to verify your PAN number. Your PAN number and Aadhaar number, PAN and Aadhaar should be linked with each other, and the date of birth you are mentioning here should be same as your PAN. Now you have to click on verify button. Now you have to verify your email address. You have to click on get OTP. The OTP will receive on the email address which you have mentioned in the order ID. And now click on verify button. Once you click on verify button, you will get the message of successful. Here you can see. And now you have to upload the applicant photo. If you wanted to resize the photo, there is the tool, you can use that. Now you have to upload all the documents, required documents as per your organization type. I have selected the proprietorship form. So the documents are here mentioned in the screen is accordingly. Upload all the documents and now you have to click on video. Now you have to create the video, and for video you can use our web browser or else you can use Capricorn customer application which is available in Android and iOS for both. Now if you click on start video recording, this page will appear in front of you. You have to read out these lines which is mentioned here, like your name, video code. It should be clear in the video, and also you have to show the required documents according to your organization type, and also you can use your native language. Start video recording and you can create your video. Now you have to submit the application form and wait for 5 to 10 minutes to get the approval. Once you get the approval, after that you have to make the payment. We have two modes basically, the online payment gateway and scan and pay. If you are using PhonePe, Google Pay, you can scan and simply pay the amount for the certificate. Otherwise you can click on online payment gateway and you have all the options here. You can use your net banking, credit card, debit card. Once you make the payment and then you will get the successful message. After that you have to click on continue to DSC enrollment. Now as you can see, your payment has been successfully done. Now you have to complete your e-sign. As per CCA guideline, you have to read and e-sign the subscriber agreement and DSC application form to enable the DSC download. and for that you have to log in. Your customer login through eKYC only, and you can enter to your application through mobile number, eKYC ID and eKYC PIN. You have to click on eKYC and then mention your mobile number, eKYC PIN, and then click on get OTP. The OTP will send to your registered mobile number. Enter the mobile OTP here and then click on login. Now you have to click on form and agreement e-sign. The next is download DSC. You have to click on that. Now you have to mention the download key here. Mention the download key and click on update download key and then click on download DSC. Your certificate is successfully approved and now it is ready for the downloading. You can download your certificate